Here at Sunlight Solar, we provide high-end solar panels. All equipment, from the panels to the inverters to the racking system, is all basically the Cadillac of material in the solar industry, and we certainly are at a price point that's very, very affordable for any homeowner. The reduction of fossil fuels is obviously very critical to the environment. My partner and I started this business because we believe in reducing the carbon footprint one panel at a time.
I use a lot of electrical because I do jewelry fabrication. We would like to be more green and feel that this will be helpful for us in the long run. That would be a savings.